Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can automatically record a Zoom meeting if you are the host, something like that. So when creating a Zoom meeting, when scheduling it and sharing the link, there is a setting in there that allows you to do that. But then if you don't turn that on and you're on the call, you have a way that you can do that. But then I'm going to show you guys how to do that before you even start the Zoom meeting. So here we just move here to schedule to create a new meeting, and then we do that. So you can see here, so creating a new meeting, we can give a name for this meeting, blah 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 blah, and everything there. So now we scroll down here and then we move to advanced options here. You can do this on a mobile phone and you can do this on a PC. If you are using their web app, which is for the PC version, you're going to see this as well. And if you are using a mobile phone for Android or iOS, you're going to see this as well. So here you just tap on the automatically record a meeting. So when you turn that on, they are going to show you the location in which your recording will be saved when you are done with the meeting. You get it? So you just turn this on and then you choose the location. So here on this phone, they are going to save it to my Zoom folder. And then on a PC, they are going to save it on your Zoom folder as well. With a PC, you can even change the location, something like that. So that's it. So after you end the Zoom meeting, they are going to record everything and then it's going to be saved on there. So you can even reshare it to other people that were not able to join the Zoom meeting at the moment. So that's it on how you can automatically record a Zoom meeting, whether you're on a mobile phone or on a PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.